Here's for the service car. This detail. It's in by Alltech, another local company. These elevators are from 1996, probably some of the first Excells in town. Well, the building was started in 94 and finished in 96, and the Excell was introduced in 1996. Atlas, only Atlas. Still from before Atlas Schindler. The operator sounds a little weird. Shaky, vibrates a lot. Oh, there's probably a call made somewhere. See you. Oh, shut that on the other way up. Hurry, blue wooden cabin. So it's very interesting. Actually, I've never seen a service elevator like this. Replace the ceiling. The handrail. Yeah. Very interesting cab design choice. Even the doors. 4. It's probably. There we go. Thanks, Atlas. Atlas lorries. They're from 96, from 3 years before it became Atlas Schindler. The emergency bulbs here. Here we are in SS. CO again. Shakes a lot. Well, it's not bad, but it's quite a lot still. My God. There. Yeah, there's the interlock, Linton's interlock. Just show these doors, man. These are so nice. There's probably no emergency systems over here. This is before these landing doors were banned. So, just 3 years after these doors were banned, only fully automatic doors. And well, let's go back down to SS again. Again, very nice cab. I like the blue walls. The vents. It's missing the cap over here. They just changed maintenance to this company over 4 months ago. They were with Schindler since installation in '96 back. And you can see the bulbs over here, emergency bulbs. Alarm, different bell, spare button. Well, maybe probably for independent service. This is a service car here in SS. Let's finish up on P. Oh, very shaky, but overall, ready to get maintenance for a month. Probably can see well over here. There you go. There's a very nice Atlas. Very blue cab.